Okay, sorry about that. Right. Um, Now the next example, strings. What did we do? Strings that start with AB. Okay, strings that contain AB. Strings that contain AB. Okay, so here, what do? We draw A and a B. Then අපිට ඕන ටික ඇවිල්ලා ඉවරයි, so we discuss anything over here. Okay, this is the initial state, and even in the other states we can have any number of A's and B's. Okay, it's just that A B should contain in a state. ඉස්සරහට මොකක් හරි පස්සට මොකක් හරි මොනවා තිබ්බත් අවුලක් නැහැ. There could be any number of A's, any number of B's. Here also there could be anything. However, we need to have an A and a B together. That is the constraint. That is why we draw it like this. That is what he asked earlier. I මෙහෙම දාන්නේ කියලා. Okay, next one, final one, let's do strings that end with AB. End with AB නම් මොකද අරකම තමා වෙනසක් නැහැ. A B, that is my final state. I can have anything before. Okay, ending with AB. ඉස්සරහට ඕන කට්ටිය හිටියා A හේකුයි B හේකුයි ආවහම I'm going to end it. Okay, right. I hope those things are clear. Last week we discussed those under DFAs very descriptively. I hope you all remember. Because of that, I'm not going to discuss these examples in a descriptive way. Okay, now we are going to the important part, conversions. NFA to DFA. Conversion එක බලන්න දැන් යන්නේ. හරිද? Okay. Now as you all can see, then NFA එක හදන එක ලේසි නේ DFA එක හදනවට වැඩිය. DFA එකේ හිතන්න ගොඩක් දේවල් තියෙනවා because you have to represent the transition on each state upon seeing every symbol in the alphabet. But in an NFA එහෙම එකක් නැහැ. අපිට අවශ්‍ය ටික capture කරලා ඉතුරු ටිකට ඕන එකක් වෙන්න කියලා තියන්න පුළුවන්. It's easy to draw. Okay? So NFA's delta is defined by, as we have seen already, ඔන්න ඔහොම DFA එකේ delta එක යන්නේ කොහොමද? Q into Z goes to Q. Okay. Now, as we have seen earlier with the sets, we know that Q is included in 2Q. I mean 2 to the power of Q. Yeah. Q is present in 2 to the power of Q, which is to say that every DFA is by default an NFA. හරිද? ඔක්කොම DFA is an NFA. Okay, therefore I make අරකට හරව ඉන්න දෙයක් නැහැ. What we have to do is we have to convert that into this. Okay, right. So now let's see how we can do it. Now let's say for an example, අපි කලින් ගත්ත එකම ගමු. මොකද්ද? Strings that start with A. අපි කලින් ගත්ත example එකමයි. So we know how we can draw this. AB. Okay, so this is the simple NFA for this. Now we are going to convert this into the DFA. Okay, the DFA will make a haravan kota. The first step that we have to do is we have to come up with the transition table for this NFA. Okay, what is a transition table? That is just a table which captures where you will go upon seeing a particular symbol from the alphabet on a particular state. Okay, so this is how a simple transition table looks like. You have your input symbols on top and you have your states on the left hand. Okay, and inside the table you will fill the resulting states. Okay, now upon seeing simple A, where will we go from capital A? We will go to capital B. And upon seeing simple B, we don't have anywhere to go. It's not defined, it's a dead state. Sorry, it's a dead configuration. Okay, in which case DFA represents that using a trap state. Hari? This is to say this is a dead configuration. We have to draw a trap state for this. Okay, Right. So let's take B now. Where will we go upon seeing simple A from B? Dekata B utamai. Yeah. Finally, okay, this is all. This is what we have in the NFA table. Okay, we have state A, we have state B. Now that is the table for the NFA. Okay, now we have to convert this to the table for the DFA. Transition. Okay, now again we have the input symbols A, B. State A. State A is the initial state. Okay. Oh, by the way, about looking at the results and then taking them as the state here, that happens in the DFA table. Okay. When you convert NFA to DFA only, that applies. Here, there's nothing of that sort applied. Okay. Metana, just put A, do your transition, then put state B, do your transition. If there's a C, put C and do the transition. Go on like that. Okay, so let's come to the DFA table. Upon seeing state A, now we are not going to look at this diagram anymore. Okay, we have a table drawn. We are going to look at that and then draw the DFA transition table. So upon seeing A, where do we go? We go to B. Arakata mukut naha, shy 5. We do this, we write the results using the curly braces because, as we said, it could be a power set of Q. Okay, so it's going to be a subset of the Q. I mean, a subset of all possible states that are reachable in Q. Okay, because of that, we use the curly brackets. Then take this, that is the result. So we'll take B. B waladi kohada apita yanna pulan. Look at this table again. We go to BB. So here we have only BB. Then we have another result that we got, 5. That is a trap state or a dead configuration. Trap state. Okay, this is all. Here the results were B. B is already written here, so we don't have to write it again. Okay, so remember, when you do the DFA table using the NFA table, we don't go on putting all the states here. Whatever results, whatever we get as results are the ones we are going to write here instead of the initial state. Okay, right. Now let's do the what do you call the DFA? Now let's draw the DFA looking at this, by looking at this table. Okay, so we start with A. That is my initial state. Upon seeing A, what happens? I'm going to B. Yeah. Then, upon seeing simple B, I go to the trap state. It was B gattahama etanama metana recurse karanawa dekama. Here also the same. Okay. Then, who are the final states? So here the final state was B. Okay. Therefore, here also the final state is B. Usually what happens is, whichever the states, whichever the subset of states who contain the final state in this NFA becomes the final state in the DFA. Okay, we'll say that in a couple more examples. Anyway, so we can say that here delta, I mean, just for an example, when you take simple A at capital A, you go to capital B. Okay, right. Then let's see another example. Strings that end with A. Okay, so here we know how the DFA should look like. This is the final, initial state. I can have any number of A's and B's. Upon seeing an A, I should go to capital B. This is the NFA. Now let's draw the transition table. Input symbols are A, B. States are capital A and capital B. Okay, right. When I see A, where do I go? I go to A and B both. When I see B, I am there. I don't go anywhere. B world, I haven't specified anything, right? Okay, now looking at this is the NFA table, transition table. Let's do the DFA's transition table. AB, initial state is A. When I see A, where do I go? AB. B num, simple A, sorry, capital A. Then what do I do? Do I write B? No. What do? I look at the results I got. A, B. Take that here. A, B. When I see A, B, what happens? To do that, to get the answer for this, you need to go to your NFA table and get the union of this. A, B can me දෙන්නමනේ. එතකොට results වලත් union එක ගන්න ඕනේ. Results වලට එන්නේ මේ දෙක union එක තමයි A වලට එන්නේ, simple A වලට. And for B, you get the union of these two. Okay, perform the union operation. So here you get AB, because the union of AB and phi is AB, and here you get A. Yeah, right. Now let's do the DFA by looking at the transition table. I have A, initial, then I have another state. I go, when I take simple A, I go to the state AB. That is a state. Now, upon seeing B, I am there. Here, when I see A, I am here, and when I see a B, I come back here. Okay, then who are my final states? Like I mentioned before, whoever contains a final state becomes a final state in the DFA as well. So here, B is the final state. Here you get a B over here. So this is your final state. Okay, right. Next example. Let's just take this NFA. Okay, now I want to convert this into a DFA. Okay, so what is the table here? 0, 1. What are my states? Q0, Q1, and Q2. Okay, when I'm at Q0, when I see 0, I can go to Q0 and Q1 both. When I see 1, I go to Q1. Q1 වල ඉන්නකොට if I see 0, I'm at Q2. එක දැක්කත් එහෙමයි. When I'm at Q2, there's no configuration defined for 0, but for 1, I have Q2. This is it. Okay. Now looking at this, I'm going to draw the DFA table. Start with the initial state, Q0. This is the initial state. Okay, when I see 0, where do I go? Q0, Q1. And when I see 1, I'm at Q1. Okay. Now take the result over here. Q0, Q1. How do we get the resulting states? By taking the union of the results. Okay. Get the union now. When you get 0, where do you go? Union of these two, Q0, Q1, Q2 all. It is a ekata union of these two, Q1, Q2. Then who are the other results? This was a result, so get that. Q1, when I'm at Q1, these two are the results. There's no union there because that's a single state. Right. Who are the others I got? Q2 over here. Q2. Q2, that's also single state, so these are the answers. Okay, then who else is remaining? I didn't write this, so let's write that. Q1, Q2. As you see, all the resulting states should be taken to the left-hand side column, and we should write the transition for them, okay? So these combined states are new states that we are going to draw in the DFA. Q1, Q2, you should get the union of these two. Yeah, so get the union. Here you get Q2. In the next one also, when you get the union of those two, you get Q2. I didn't write for this as well. Q0, Q1, Q2. ඔය තුනම ආවහම කාගේ union එකද? All of them. Everybody's union. So it's going to be Q0, Q1, Q2 over here. And when I get 1, I have only Q1 and Q2. But not Q2, so this is going to be Q1 and Q2. Okay, right, that is done. Finally, I have another state remaining, which is this, the dead state, the trap state rather, phi. So that is, we know that is a trap, so it is going to recurse on itself. Okay, now by looking at this table, what do? We should draw the DFA. Okay, so I have Q0, which is my initial state. On seeing 0, I will go to Q0, Q1. Okay, and by the way, whoever contains the final state in the NFA becomes a final state in the DFA. Okay, whoever contains the final state, or set of final states. So here Q1 in okkoma final states are known, so this is going to be a final state. Okay, then method apita 1 dakkot, I'm going to go to Q1, that is a final state. Then when I'm at Q0 and Q1, if I see a 0, I go to Q0, Q1, Q2. That is a final state. You just have to draw the DFA using the table. Okay, that is all. If you see a 1, you come to Q1, Q2. Q1 is there, therefore this is a final state. Okay. Then Q0, Q1 you have to go to that. Q1, if you see 0, you go to Q2. Okay. Then from Q1, Q2, if you see 0 or 1, you are at the same state. And then from Q2, I can recurse 1 here. But if I see a 0, I'm going to go to this state, and there I'm going to recurse for 0 and 1 both. Okay, so this is the equivalent DFA for this NFA. Which NFA? This one. This is the equivalent DFA for that. Okay, I hope that's clear. Right, now let's say you want to get the DFA drawn for the NFA, which shows the acceptance of the language, where second symbol from the right hand side is A. Okay, which means you can have any string. Second symbol from the right hand side should be A. Okay, so how should the NFA look like? NFA will look like, this is your initial state. Okay, You can have any number of A's and B's. So upon seeing A, you will go to state B, and you assume this is the second symbol from the right hand side. What do? We say after that you can get an A or a B and you go to the final state. Okay, so this is where we capture the second symbol. All right, and after that here මෙතෙන් දෙන්න පුළුවන් A hari B hariනේ. May antim blank ekata, so we say that could be either A or B, and then we go to the final state and accept it. Okay, so this is the NFA for that. Now let's draw the transition table. A, B. Upon seeing A, I can go to A and B. B nang etanamai. I have a C also. B, either A or B, I go to state C, and on C I haven't defined anything. Okay, right, now using this, let's do the DFA table. Start from your initial state. Upon seeing A, you can go to A or B. New state. If it is a B, AB. Okay, now take AB, which is the result of the first record, first row rather. AB gattahama, what do? You are going to get the union of these two results. So here you get ABC, here you get AC. Right, now take ABC. That means you get the union of all three. So here you get ABC, here you get AC. Now let's take A and C, put the curly brackets. If it is A and C, what do you get? You get AB here and A over there. Okay, that's it. These are the states in my DFA. Now draw the DFA. A, initial state. If it is a B, I recurse there. If it is an A, I go to state AB. By the way, what is the, okay, final state is C. So whoever contains C is going to be the final state. Right. Now if I see an A, I go to the ABC state, which is the final state. Okay. And then here, if I get a B, I should go to AC. That also is a final state. And there, if I get an A, I go up. Meaning if I get a B, I come here. Is that it? Okay. Here, if I get a B, I go here. That's it. This is the DFA for this NFA. Okay, now then api metanta kalane second symbol from the RHS is A kiyala. You all can try second symbol from, sorry, not the second symbol, third symbol. Metanta third gala, third symbol from the RHS is A kiyanakata. You all can try it. I'll try to give an activity for that. It's the same thing. Only thing is, A should come here. So how do you draw the DFA for that? And sorry, how do you draw the NFA for that? And how do you draw the DFA for that? Okay. You all can try that. I'll try to give an activity if we have time today. Okay. Now we are going to go to a another section, which is called the epsilon NFA. In the classification diagram that we did, I said මේ අපි කඩනවයි කියලා acceptors හිටියනේ finite automata අපි කැඩුවනේ දෙකකට. If you remember the classification, acceptors අපි කැඩුවේ NFA DFA කියලා. And I said there's another one called epsilon NFA. Yeah. Now that is what we are going to talk about today. Okay. In I mean, in some books, in some reference books, they don't talk about epsilon NFA separately. හරිද? ඒගොල්ලෝ කෙලින්ම NFA ගැන තමයි කතා කරන්නේ. මේකත් මේක ඇතුළට දානවා. I'll explain why that happens. හරිද? But in some books they talk about this separately and this separately. මෙයා මෙයාගේම ඇතුළේ ඉන්න කෙනෙක් තමයි, but they talk about them separately. I'll explain how that happens, okay? Okay. Now epsilon NFA.